Simplifying some radical expressions and scientific notation in the second problem here. So first we've got root 5 times root 125. And what we can do is we can multiply those underneath the same radical sign. So we've got 5 times, and then 125 is 5 cubed. So 5 cubed. And so that is going to be the square root of 5 to the 4th power. So, and then we can break that 5 to the 4th up as 5 squared times 5 squared. And then we can pull it apart, take the root of each piece. And then the square root of 5 squared, the square and the square root undo each other. You just get 5, and then another 5 here. So that is 5 times 5, which is 25. So you're trying to pull out all the perfect squares you can. Root 343 divided by root 5, so can't do anything with that root 5. However, the 343 is divisible by 7. It's actually 7 times 49. So we can break that apart as 7 times 49, and then over root 5. And then, you can, if you don't know some of the division rules, you can just, on your calculator, divide by 2. Well, it doesn't divide by 2 because it's not even. Divide by 3, see if you get an even answer, 4, 5, 6, 7, etc. And so now we can break this apart. This is root 7 times root 49 over square root of 5. And then 49 is a perfect square. Square root of 49 is 7. So this is 7 square root of 7 over root 5. And then simplified, they want you to rationalize denominator usually, so let's go ahead and do that. So this will be multiplied by root 5 over root 5, because on the bottom that's going to give us square root of 25, which is 5. And then on the top we can multiply these under the same square root. So we get 7 square root of 7 times 5, 35. And then in the denominator, we've got root 5 times root 5, which is root 25. And square root of 25 is 5. So this is 7 square root of 35 divided by 5. Here we are doing some scientific notation, a division here. So you can divide these two and then multiply by the quotient dividing those two. So half of 2.8 is 1.4. And then these are both powers of 10. When you're dividing, you subtract exponents. So 12 minus 8 is 4. So this is times 10 to the 4th. And that's already in scientific notation. Here, we multiply the two. So 2 times 2.8 is 5.6. And then when you multiply the powers of 10, you'll add exponents. So times 10 to the 12 plus 8, 20.